This is how to navigate the menus on the dual car cam. Right, of course you're going to have to start by switching it on, which is the on button just here. And when you switch it on, it should start automatic recording. So before you can use the menus, you have to press the record button to stop the recording, which is this button here. In the top button, this one here, is so you can enter the menus. And switch between the 3 different menus. Once in the menu, you use these buttons to move through between the options in the menu. And to select the option you want, you press this key, which is the enter key. And then to come back out the menu, just press this button again, and then you can press the record button to start recording again.